If you've been wondering how to use Whop, this video is going to walk you through everything step by step, from creating your account all the way to setting up products, communities, affiliate links, and even discovering other businesses on the platform. Whop is a powerful all-in-one platform for creators, sellers, and entrepreneurs. And once you understand how it works, you can use it to build, sell, and manage digital products much more efficiently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is create your account. Go to whop.com in your browser and click the sign up button. From there, you can register with your email address, or you can connect an existing social login like Google, Apple, or Discord. Choose the option that's easiest for you and complete the sign up process. Once your account is created, you'll be taken into your Whop dashboard. Next, let's set up your profile so your account looks complete and professional. Click on your profile icon in the corner of the screen, then select Settings. Inside your settings, you can add a profile photo, update your display name, and review your account details. This is a good idea if you plan to build a business or join communities, because having a proper profile helps your account look more trustworthy and organized. Now, if your goal is to monetize a community, course, or digital product, the next step is to create a business. To do that, go to your side panel and click Start a Business. Whop will guide you through the process of naming your business and setting it up inside your dashboard and admin area. This business page becomes the main place where you'll manage products, apps, customers, and earnings. Think of it like your central control panel for everything you sell. Once your business is created, you can build a subscription community. This is one of Whop's most useful features if you want to charge members monthly for access. Inside your business page, click Add App. If you want a native community inside Whop, choose Chat or Forum. If you already use an external platform like Discord or Telegram, you can gate those instead so only paying members get access. After that, go to Products in your dashboard and click Create Product. Give your tier a name, set your recurring payment like $29.99 per month, and attach the community app experience to that product. This lets members subscribe and automatically gain access based on their payment status. If you want to sell digital products, courses, or files, Whop makes that very straightforward too. Again, go to Add App and install either courses or files. Courses are great if you want to upload video lessons, while files are perfect for PDFs, software, templates, and downloadable resources. Upload your content directly into the app. Then go to Products, choose Create Product, and set either a one-time price or a subscription price. Once you link the course or file app to your product, you can publish it and start selling. This is ideal for creators who want to package knowledge, resources, or assets into a clean checkout flow. Another powerful part of Whop is affiliate marketing. If you want to promote other sellers' offers and earn commissions, go to the Affiliates tab in the sidebar. From there, browse the affiliate marketplace and look through products created by other sellers. When you find something you want to promote, click Get Link or Become Affiliate to generate your unique referral link. You can then share that link on your social media, your website, or anywhere your audience hangs out. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's a simple way to start making money without creating your own product. Whop also has opportunities for clipping and content rewards, which is a great option if you want to get paid for creating short-form content. To do this, join an active campaign through Whop Content Rewards or Whop Clips. Once you're accepted, read the campaign brief carefully so you understand exactly what the brand or creator wants. Then edit short videos like Reels, TikToks, or Shorts using the materials they provide. After posting the videos to your own social media accounts, submit the URLs back into the campaign dashboard. If the content performs well, you can get paid based on views or campaign rules. This is a great model for editors and creators who want to earn from viral short-form content. Now let's talk about how to manage your business inside the dashboard. This is where Whop becomes especially useful for long-term growth. In analytics, you can track revenue, active subscriptions, page views, and churn rates so you know what's working and what isn't. In finances and payouts, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, under balances before you can withdraw your earnings. You can connect a bank account, PayPal, or even a crypto wallet depending on your setup. In marketing, you can create custom discount codes, set affiliate commission rates for your own store, and build upsells to increase your average order value. In customers, you can view active members, manage subscriptions, and handle cancellation requests all from one place. Finally, don't forget about the Discover page. This is where you can find communities, courses, and other businesses already selling through Whop. Click Discover in the left navigation sidebar, then browse categories like trading, fitness, e-commerce, or sports. You can also use the search bar to look for specific tools, software, or memberships. When you click on a business page, you can review its content, pricing terms, and customer reviews before deciding to buy through the checkout page. It's a useful way to explore what others are building and selling on the platform. So that's the full beginner-friendly guide on how to use Whop. You now know how to create your account, set up your profile, start a business, build subscription communities, sell digital products, join affiliate programs, earn through content rewards, and manage everything from the dashboard. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.